Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. I'm already dropping shit. First question, hi Vanessa, has a buyer ever had buyer's remorse? I sold a $400 pair of Moncler, I don't know how to pronounce that. I know it's a high-end brand. Sneakers. They had been sitting for a while and someone bought them full price. I was so excited. I shipped them out the very next morning. About 24 hours after the sale, the buyer was blowing me up with messages begging me to please cancel. There was no way to cancel even if I wanted to because I shipped the shoes out already. She kept saying she accidentally bought them and didn't want them and to do whatever I can to get them back from the post office. Now that the shoes have been in transit, I received an email saying the shoes were not deliverable and that a notice was left to the buyer. I'm afraid of what she's trying to do to return the shoes since Poshmark has a final sale policy. This sucks. What would you do? It sucks that it wasn't able to be delivered to her. I wonder if it sounds like she's trying to pull a fast one and not accept the package, maybe. I don't know. That sucks. How long has it been? When did you send this to me? You sent this to me April 6th. So I'm curious if there's been an update since then. Contact her once again and be like, hey, they've already been mailed out. They tried to deliver them to you. Like, what's going on? Yeah, and then just kind of go from there. Maybe let Poshmark know. That sucks. And especially since it's $400. So is it being held at the post office? Like, what's going on? And then maybe she's not going to pick it up and then they're going to send it back to you. I don't know. I have no advice. I would just contact the buyer and be like, what the fuck? What are you doing? Like, they've already sent these out. You have to accept these. You can't send them back. I feel like if she tries to send them back to you, I don't know. Actually, I have no idea. I don't know what Poshmark would do. I don't know. But fingers crossed that something works out in your favor. That's frustrating. I'm sorry. Next question. I was wondering if you've heard of or had any experience with my Reseller Genie. I saw someone post about it and I'm nervous about subscriptions. Thank you for the information and entertaining videos. Thank you for watching, Katrina. So my Reseller Genie, I've heard of it. I haven't used it. I don't know. I'm assuming it's a bot that will share your closet, that'll do all that stuff for you. But no, I have not had experience with them. I have had, who's been emailing me? Oh, Hammock. Hammock has emailed me a couple times. It's like HAMMOQ. They've emailed me a couple times. They want me to do like sponsored videos. I'm just like, meh. And then, oh no, I think it was my reseller assistant. What did you say? Genie? Yeah, I've never heard of the Genie one. I've heard of the reseller assistant one because they've also emailed me. All these people are emailing me. They want me to do sponsored videos for their bots. I'm like, have you watched my YouTube channel? But no, I have not heard of them. I don't know. If any of you guys have any experience with them, comment down below. Next question. Hello, beautiful lady. Oh, Cricket, you're so sweet. Recently, I sent out a package to a buyer. 3 weeks has gone by and she still has not received it. My question is, am I now out of money? I have asked Poshmark with no clear answer. Okay, so I would, yeah, definitely contact Poshmark again. This has happened to me a few times. I actually went through recently, like 2 or 3 months ago, and I looked at all my sales and I had like 5 or 6 sales that were never delivered. So I contacted Poshmark. I'm like, hey, these are the order numbers on these. Like these were sales from like months and months ago. Like one of them was from, I think it was like March of 2021. I'm like, yeah, it wasn't delivered. It's clearly lost in the mail. I'm surprised that none of the buyers had contacted me about them. But anyway, I sent Poshmark an email with all the information and they released my earnings to me. So I would do the same. I would just be annoying about it. Be like, hey, it's been 3 weeks. They haven't received it. Something is clearly not right. It was lost in the mail, and they will most likely release your earnings to you. They'll probably also refund the buyer too. But yeah, just be annoying. Just email them. Continue to email them. Next question. Hey there, great videos. Thanks for these. Just a comment. I made 6. Just a comment. What? Oh, but I wanted to read this because this was a little weird. I made 6 purchases during the free ship period. 4 of the orders canceled as the sellers weren't active. Due to the new algorithm, these items I bought were all near the top of the search. I checked when they were updated and it was ages. Seems like when I share now, it doesn't guarantee better placement. It's getting bad in there. Have a great week. Rick, yes. It's just a shit show, honestly, on Poshmark with the search. You shouldn't have to go in and search to see when the person was last active. I do that only because I've been burned a number of times where I've wanted to purchase something and they haven't been active for a while. But yeah, you shouldn't have to do that. If you search in a listing, it should pop up. Common sense would say that the listings that pop up would be recent shit, not shit from like months and months ago from inactive sellers, So yeah, so it's frustrating. Poshmark still has not got their shit together. oh, I've heard of people going on like a Poshmark Strike. People are like, oh, I want to go on a Poshmark Strike, and I don't know how that's happening, if that's gonna happen. I know that one is happening with Etsy, I think, because I don't know the full story, but something went down with Etsy where they're raising fees and people are pissed, so they're going on strike. Honestly, Poshmark is just kind of like, right now to me, eBay is number one, and I can't believe I'm saying that because I used to be so, not like anti-eBay, but I just used to be like, I'm not doing eBay, it's too much work, but it's been good. That is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below or send me a DM on Instagram. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.